Hello defense aspirants, I am Colonel Pankaj Mehrotra. I have retired from the Selection Center East, Allahabad very recently. I have been a Deputy President and Interviewing Officer at 4 selection boards, twice at Bhopal and twice at Allahabad. During these 8 years of my experience as an interviewing officer, I have interacted with more than 20,000 candidates in the stage 1 testing and more than 7,000 interviews that I have conducted in the stage 2. During my stint, I realized that there were a large number of candidates who just needed fine-tuning of their skills, which would have made a huge difference in their being a recommended candidate from a non-recommended candidate. At that point of time, gentlemen, since I was in the system, I couldn't have helped the candidates. Therefore, this idea germinated in my mind that after my retirement, I will do something to help out the candidates. And with that in mind, I set up a dormitory at Allahabad, which is very close to the selection center. In this video today, I am going to take you on a tour of this dormitory. So I was telling you that this facility was set up actually to help the candidates and improve their performance. Today in this video, I am going to take you around to the dormitory, which will assure you of the facilities that we have and also assure your parents of the neat and hygienic condition that I have provided. Now let's have a look at the location of this dormitory. This is a Valmiki Chauraha in front. Now on to the left is the railway station, which is just about 800 meters from the dormitory. On to the right from the Chauraha is the selection center, which is just about 700 meters. So we are very centrally located, not very difficult to find out. Valmiki Chauraha is a prominent landmark from the railway station that you will be able to take any means of transport from there and come to the dormitory. Rickshaws, e-rickshaws, taxis are available there. Now let's go inside and have a look. Now this is the entry gate to the SSB dormitory. Alright friends, this is the reception area of the dormitory. As you will see, we have facility for the drinking water. RO water is available to the candidates. There is a fridge that we have kept here for the cold water in this warm season. We have 24 hours power supply, which is backed up by an inverter. We have solar panels on top, so solar supply is on to the dormitory. Now as we enter into the dormitory, there are 20 beds available. This is the air conditioned dormitory that we have. Part of this dormitory, gentlemen, is safe and hygienic stay. Besides getting an opportunity to interact with similar minded candidates who are reporting next day morning, you also get homely touch of stay here. It's a fully air conditioned dormitory. We have a couple of candidates who are reporting tomorrow morning as the technical entry scheme SSBs have already started.
So my name is Arjun Gupta and I have reported here for the technical entry scheme and I have to report tomorrow. So I got to know about this dormitory online and I talked to Colonel Sir regarding this dormitory and I found that it is a very nice place, as it is the SSB is just 200 meters from this dormitory.
My name is Rohan Khan and I am here for my technical entry scheme 45th course. I got to know about this dormitory online because I was looking for a place to stay for a good accommodation which is safe and which is nearby the SSB Center Allahabad. And I got to know about this place and I think it's pretty good and pretty clean. The hygiene here is properly maintained and I think it's one of very cleanest place.
Alright gentlemen, let's have a look at the washroom facilities that we have created in this dormitory. Now there are 5 bathing places, there are toilets, 5 of them. There are western seats, there is an Indian seat also available. There is a urinal on the extreme left. From the washroom only, one can exit onto a very big terrace. Now, on the terrace, we have arrangements for candidates to sit down and have their meals. We have a cook who provides homely, hygienic food. It's a pure vegetarian food that is supplied. And we have facility for the ironing also. RO has been set up here for the drinking water facility. In the evening, we all sit down and have a fine-tuning session and also interaction amongst the candidate, as well as candidates have interaction with me. It's a huge dormitory wherein a huge place, huge terrace, full of greenery. People can put down their wet clothes for drying up, and also relax and put their hair down before the anxious moments of the SSB testing start next day morning. Come and see it for yourself, and I'm sure you will realize that it is the best possible accommodation that you can get as far as your SSB is concerned. Thank you.